Gran Hotel Peñiscola. 4 stars. Gran Hotel Peñiscola is located on Peñíscola's popular beachfront, on the seafront promenade. It offers an extensive spa, an outdoor pool and free Wi-Fi. Rooms at the Gran Hotel Peñiscola include air conditioning and a balcony. Guests benefit from a self-service laundry with washing machines and dryers. Todo. Bar Tropical y Piscina. Follow the link in the description to find out the price of accommodation on the most reliable hotel portal in the world. It's pretty close to the beach. Location, cleanliness, amenities and friendly staff. Follow the link in the description of this video. You will find the hotel rating, the best price and excellent customer service. Our team did a lot of work to create this video. Press likes and subscribe to our channel.